Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 01 August 2018, 20 of hour, 43 of minute and 09 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is it okay to put champagne in the fridge? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about is it okay to put champagne in the fridge. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about is it okay to put champagne in the fridge. That bottle of bubbly in your fridge isn't going to last forever. Here's why. The average refrigerator sits at a dry 35 degrees. The best conditions for a bottle of champagne, cava, or prosecco, and any and all wine in general, is what you would find in a cellar air cave, 55 to 60 degrees and high humidity. Last update September 25, 2016. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.